We're here with a BeKind package. Go Bucks!
Everybody, are you so excited to do some good this afternoon? Make some noise, let's go!
1.8 million people in the state of Ohio are food insecure. In today's Hancock, Wood, and Lucas counties alone, more than 102,000 people are food insecure. That's nearly enough to fill Ohio Stadium.
We're here because we love to serve others and we believe in kindness.
I'm here today to help pack meals to help feed those in need in our community.
All right, thank you so much, man. The community appreciates it.